In the aftermath of a tropical storm, restoration companies play a crucial role in rebuilding and restoring damaged properties. However, these companies often face significant challenges when it comes to getting paid for their services. One of the biggest hurdles is dealing with insurance claim delays. These delays can be caused by a variety of factors, including complex claim processes, overwhelmed insurance adjusters, and extensive documentation requirements. For restoration companies, these delays can create cash flow issues, making it difficult to cover operational costs and pay employees. The financial strain can be overwhelming, especially when they have already invested time and resources into the restoration work. But there is a solution. The Baker Group of companies offers contingency-based debt collection services specifically tailored for restoration companies. They understand the unique challenges faced in the aftermath of a storm and work diligently to recover unpaid invoices. With the Baker Group by your side, you can focus on what you do best, restoring properties, while they take care of recovering your payments. No collection, no fee. The Baker Group of companies, your trusted partner in recovering what you're owed.